What it's got? Yeah. What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I'm bringing the truck in for an oil change, but I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys something crazy that has happened with the truck. So I'm not 100% sure how this happened, but as you can see, I don't know if it'll focus on that. Somehow my exhaust hanger is ripping the pipe off. Not really sure what's going on here. So actually, I had another pipe laying around in storage, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a go and see if we can't, if it's not the same, if we can get it to match up and everything, and then get this straightened out so that way my broken exhaust is no longer on here. You know, we don't want this tip falling down at all, so. Yeah. All right guys, so it is just a 14 millimeter with one band clamp. Came off pretty easy. Nice thing about having a California truck, you know, nothing's all rotted and all that shit. I think I found that rattle. Remember that rattle I was talking about?
Yep.
There we go. Nice tip. Probably not going to be putting this back on. But as you can see here, that was on its last leg here. And basically, our mission in life right now is to stop the saggy exhaust movement. If your exhaust is hanging down, you're wrong. That's good. Looks similar. Similar to me. I'm telling you guys, if your exhaust is hanging down, you're wrong. Try to make it, you just want that clean look, you know? I know we did away with the tip. I really don't want to cut this one to put the tip on, so we're gonna leave it like this for now, but we have the exhaust replaced, so at least that's done. Now we're gonna finish up the oil change and get this thing started. Shouldn't sound any different because we didn't change anything. We just fixed the broken exhaust, so.
What happened?
When we started leaking some oil here, I moved the pan quick and the bolt fell into the pan and the oil's hot as shit because I was just driving. So we're going in. Might lose some fingers on this one. Ouch. Ow. Oh my god, where did it go? This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Ow, dude, it's even hotter over there. Fuck. Ow. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments. They're gonna be like, you're an idiot, just dump the oil out. Yeah, if I lose this bolt, I'm screwed. But you're probably right. You can stop recording now. You know what, I got a better idea.
I got a better idea. Yeah, I was gonna say, take something to fucking...
There's no... Oh, there it is. Want confirmed location. Fucking goddamn it. Woo! Sweet. Alright guys, oil change is done. Should be able to give it a start here. Oil pressure's good. No leaks besides the mess I made. And the exhaust. Alright guys, this was just a pretty short video just to show you how this stuff can break. So keep an eye out on it. I mean, it's not really the end of the world, but you don't want it to fall off. Might be cleaning up this tip and selling it too, or putting it on. I'm not sure. It's a 5 to 6 tip, MBRP, dual wall, all that good stuff. But it's pretty much gonna do it for today. Everything looks good. That's gonna be a wrap for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I made a mess and a fool of myself as usual. So we're gonna go ahead and clean all this up and get out of here for the day. But just a little quick video, keep you guys updated on what's going on with the truck. So it's a wrap, guys. I'm out.